In this video, we will show the best LED tube lights available to buy. At number 10. Murphy LED Flat Tube Light. It is safer than other lights with heat dissipation technology which would break down within a month. It is made of high-quality aluminum body diffuser with high-grade polycarbonate diffuser. At number 9. Himack LED Light. It is waterproof high-power LED 50-watt LED watt ultra-thin slim IP66 IP6667 50ths LED flood outdoor light cool white. At number 8. Philips Tarang Bright 20-watt LED Batten. The wide voltage protection of 160 to 360 V with 2 kV surge protection. Even and comfortable light perfected for your well-being. At number 7. Syska T5 18-watt LED Tubelight. Syska LED Tubelights simple and easy to install fixtures are an undoubted champion for your regular lighting purposes. At number 6. Eveready 10-watt LED Batten. This product comes with a fire-resistant solid polycarbonate body. This feature makes the batten safer to use and long-lasting. At number 5. Syska 22 watts T5 LED Tube Light. These simple and easy to install fixtures are an undoubted champion for your regular lighting purposes. At number 4. Crompton Led Batten. The Crompton Dazzle Ray 20W Cool Day Light LED Batten. 90% energy saver, modern design, uniform distribution of light. At number 3. Wipro Garnet 20-watt Slim LED Batten. The 20W Garnet Batten complements the decor of your home, and provides uniform lighting for your drawing room, kitchen and bedrooms. At number 2. Eveready 20-watt LED Batten. The light is perfect for homes and commercial spaces. Outlined with exclusive features, the Eveready LED Batten ensures durability and endurance. At number 1. Wipro High Lumen 22-watt LED Batten. It is a high-performance non-yellowing diffuser providing spot-free light. It is natural light with no strain on eyes.